I'll teach you guys about message requests on your Discord. Now let us just start. First, as you can see, this is my initial Discord page right here. Now I don't really have any friends in this Discord because this is just a newly created account. And what happens here is previously Discord did not have any message requests option, but this is not very recent, but it's quite new. So in this, what happens is when someone tries to send you a friend request, or when someone tries to just text you, your text messages come up right here. Now here you can see pending requests and so much more. Now when you try to find a conversation, there is a request box option right there. Now you can just tap on requests, and when you go to requests, when you tap on it, you will see an option that says if you want to accept the invitation request or not. Now if you think that the text message is a scam or a spam, you can just ignore it, choose to ignore it, you can delete it, you can even report the message. But if it's not, you can just accept it and talk to it. Now this also happens when you're trying to establish a conversation with someone new. Now when you search for someone and you just go to text them without them having accepted your friend request, it will just go to their request section, and they will have to accept it before they can properly talk to you. So I hope you guys understood what I was trying to say, and I think now you have the idea of how requests work in Discord. Now think that is all for the video. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the like button so you don't miss out on our future videos. And bye bye, take care. That is all for this video.